Hello everyone, this is Shivam. I'm a second year MBBS student at AMC Vizag. Today in this video, I'm gonna talk about the books which you should use in your first year. Because of current lockdown situation, I won't be able to show you my personal books because they're in hostel. But alongside the video, I'll just show you the pictures of it while discussing about that book. Okay, so let's get started. So in this video, for each subject, I'm gonna basically talk about two type of books. First one will be gold standard books, like they are the standard books, and other books will be in reference to those books. And then comes the books for your university professional exams. Okay? You can understand it in a way like that in our 12th class, we used to have basically two type of books. First will be 12th NCERT biology book, which is like a base book, and other will be like to crack your Olympiads, we used to have Truman's biology, etc. So same pattern follows here also. So now I'm gonna start with each subject one by one. First we'll start with anatomy, then physiology, then biochemistry.
So in anatomy, first we'll start with gross anatomy. In gross anatomy, the book which I use to pass university exams is either is BDC. Means I personally use BDC, but Vishram Singh is also there. So you can choose in between BDC or Vishram Singh. If you are choosing BDC, then you should have PDF of Vishram Singh, because ultimately both are good. Like both are good in each aspect. Like in Vishram Singh, the language is easy, the diagrams are so much descriptive, and the clinical boxes are well described. So if you are buying BDC, then you should have PDF of Vishram Singh, and if you are buying Vishram Singh, then vice versa. And the standard book for anatomy is Gray's Anatomy. Gray's Anatomy is like, if you are so much interested in anatomy and you want to score so much high, then you should go for Gray's Anatomy. But if you want to like just first try, but what I recommend is first take Gray's Anatomy from library or take it from your seniors. Okay, then just read it or download a PDF and then just read it one or two, 3 pages. If you will find it interesting and you think like that you can continue it, then you should go for it. Okay, otherwise BDC is good. Okay, so it depends on you. If you are so much interested in anatomy and you want to explore more, then you should go for Gray's. Otherwise BDC or Vishram is okay.
So next comes the Handbook of General Anatomy. It's like the foundation book for the anatomy. All the important terms which you are going to read throughout your anatomy are basically well described in that book. So you should read that book very thoroughly.
After that, another important thing is Atlas. Atlas is very must. I personally recommend Nectar's Atlas, because see, in anatomy you can't imagine it with diagrams. See, anatomy is all about diagrams. Suppose if you read some point and you won't understand, but if you see the picture of it now, you will clearly get it in your head. So here comes the Atlas. In that you will easily get how structures are arranged in the human body. So it's very important, you should buy Atlas, and it will going to help you for NEET PG exams also. Okay, then after that we'll move to histology. For histology I personally used IB Singh, Inderbir Singh. For histology I use IB Singh. It's very good, diagrams are so much clean, and there is Atlas given in that textbook. So basically Atlas helps you to give a beautiful representation what is going to be in the book. Okay, then comes the embryology. Embryology, if you'll read it very thoroughly now, then it's going to help you for in obs and gynae also. So basically you should read embryology so much perfectly, because people will neglect embryology in first year. Some of my friends also used to do that. So I'm seriously saying you don't neglect embryology. It's very wonderful subject. Just read it thoroughly. But if you are getting so much interest in embryology, then you should go for Langman's Embryology. It's very good book. Everything is like explained from molecular level. Okay, so you should go for that book. Okay, and lastly we'll move on to manual, which is very important for dissection, and the most commonly used manual is Cunningham. So go for it. Manual is so much important. From my personal experience, one time I forgot to take it, and then whole dissection time I was standing outside. So it's very important, you should take it. Okay,
all right.
After that, let's move on to physiology. Physiology was my personally favorite subject. It's like so much interesting. For physiology, the book which I used was Guyton and Hall. It's like medium and medium hard for some of the students, but the gold standard book is Ganoms. But if you are going for Guyton, then you are really going to have like some kind of trouble, because you will read it, then you will forget it. So for exams, I personally use GK Pal, but some people use Samalingam, LPR, etc. But personally, I read GKPAL. It's good because in exam you can't write what you read in guideline. It's very difficult to elaborate. So for exam time, you should go for GKPAL, LPR because everything is given in tabulated form. So you can easily write it in exam. An important thing for physiology is draw as many flowchart as you can in exams. Let's move on to biochemistry. For biochemistry, the standard book is Harper. Harper is a quite good book. But first, before reading Harper, you should take a PDF or issue it from library and then read it. If you'll find the language like you can understand it, then you should go for it. Okay. Other books, otherwise you can use Vasudevan. It's also a very good book. And for university exams, I'll say Satyanarayan. It's very good book. In that, like all things are given in table form. Just before the exams, you can just go through easily and you can write it in exam. But for that, you should have a from starting only you should have understanding about biochemistry, then only you can write it. Like not like just read in last night before exam, but some people can do that. Sorry, that was too much.
Control.
But if you are going for Vasudevan, then at least take a PDF of Satyanarayan, because in Satyanarayan other things are good. Okay, so if you are going for Vasudevan, take a PDF of Satyanarayan or vice versa. Okay, so that. Other thing is that if you are buying new books, then go for latest edition, because medicine is always evolving science. So every time some new changes will come. So it's good if you are buying new book, then buy latest edition.
So if you found this video helpful, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Then press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates about my upcoming video.